2025 Honda Pilot. This SUV offers space as well as power and performance. It's equipped with many extra conveniences right at your fingertips, including cross-traffic alert, lane keeping assist, lane departure warning, multi-zone air conditioning, blind spot monitor, third row seating, heated side view mirrors, backup camera, tinted windows, rear air conditioning, power driver seat, power passenger seat, pass-through rear seat, Bluetooth, brake assist. Ready to take home the car of your dreams?